logarithm of 8x to the base 8 plus logarithm of x minus 2 to the base 8 tas logarithm of x minus 3 to the base 8 is equal to 2. So, isa-isayin natin yung properties. We have to rewrite this 3 logarithmic form into 1. Na una, dito muna tayo sa addition. So, yung logarithm, we rewrite this as 1 dahil addition, di ba, pag nag-a-add, nagmumultiply tayo nung mga arguments. So, what we're going to do is logarithm of, you rewrite logarithm of 8x multiplied by x minus 2 to the base 8. Ito na yon, yung dalawa combined, minus logarithm of x minus 3 to the base 8 is equal to 2. Next is, we rewrite this 2 logarithmic form into 1. Since subtraction to, we divide the argument. So, we will have logarithm of 8x multiplied by x minus 2 all over x minus 3 to the base 8 is equal to 2. O, ayan na, makakapag-solve na po tayo using the property na yung logarithm of, logarithm of x to the base a is equal to y. Tapos, you write it as logarithm of x is equal to a raised to y. So, ito, magiging 8x multiplied by x minus 2 all over x minus 3 is equal to 8 squared. Then, we will simplify this one so that we can solve for the value of x. It as 8x multiplied by x minus 2 all over x minus 3 is equal to 8 squared. Then, we simplify 8x squared minus 16x all over x minus 3 is equal to 64. Tapos, cross multiply. Yung 64 may denominator na 1, tas cross multiply. So, we'll have 8x squared minus 16x is equal to 64 times x minus 3. And then, ang gagawin ay 8x squared minus 16x is equal to 64x minus, ano yung 64 times 3? 64 times 3 is 192. And then, you transpose it on the other side of the equation. I'm sorry, this is just 16x. Then, 8x squared minus 16x minus 64x plus 192 is equal to 0. Then, we simplify. Negative 16 minus 64, the answer is negative 80. 8x squared minus 80x plus 192. Ang laki ng mga numbers. Paliitan natin, tingnan natin. Is 192 divisible by 8? Ay, divisible by 8. O, we divide the whole equation by 8 para lumiit yung mga numerical values. So, 80x plus 192 is equal to 0. We divide the whole equation by 8. Legal yan, pwede nyo yung gamitin para lang lumiit yung numbers kasi ang laki 80 tas 192. So, magiging x squared minus 10x plus 24 is equal to 0. So, kahit pa paano, malaki pa din pero not as big as the first equation. Then, pwede na tayong mag quadratic formula kung gusto nyo. O kaya naman, try muna natin. Baka ito naman ay factorable. So, let's say, ano ba ang factors ng 24? We have 1, 24, tapos 2, tsaka 12, tapos 3, at tsaka 8. Tama ba ako? 8, 16, 24. Tama. Tapos 4, at tsaka 6, 12, 18, 24. Tsaka 6. So, hanap tayo ng may makakawa tayong 10. Obviously, ito. Pag pinag-add ko, makakawa tayo ng 10. So, ang factors niya ay pwedeng x, tsaka 6, tsaka x. Yung x nakuha ko sa x squared, tsaka 4. Tapos, dahil positive to, tapos may negative ka sa second term, pareho dapat to na negative. Para makakuha tayo ng negative, tas positive yung last term. Then, let's just check. So, x squared minus 4x minus 6x plus 24. Ayun na nga, negative 10x, tas 24x squared. Tama. Factorable siya. So, x minus 6 at saka x minus 4 is equal to 0. And then, ang values niya ay, to get the values of x, pwede nating i-separate yung dalawang factors, then equate it to 0. Then, meron na tayong values of x as 6 and as 4. Ganun lang.